Well, hello, race fans. I hope you can hear me over the fan. But I gotta have a fan in here today. It's hot. Not as hot as it's been being. But we got Chase Family Racing up on the stage now in his V16 Cadillac. And now coming around is Chase Family in his Jackhammer. They took some good time on this. If you see anything you like, leave comments. We're doing a best in show today, so leave your comments there. We got a panel of judges, non-race related, and over here on the right hand side you see the NASCAR All Generations trophy, what we'll be doing up next after this one. I hope to see you then. I'm glad everybody showed up that come out today. I was very happy. They got some beautiful cars, and I'll quit mumbling around and show you all who we got. That's I said, that's Chase Family Racing. Okay, now on the turntable stage, we got Milestone Diecast Racing. Here comes his V16 Cadillac. Dusty Miles is the driver of both vehicles. We'll be racing the Cadillacs all together, the Jackhammers all together. Top three from each section meet up and race in the finals. The Jackhammers run Jackhammers and the Cadillacs run Cadillacs. So we're moving on. Now on the turntable, we got Dutch Clutch Racing, his V16 Cadillac, and then his Jackhammer. Glad to see them back on the track again. They do good. They excellent cars, always top of the line bills. Good to see them out. We're going to find out who's fast here just in a little bit. Next up on the rotation table is Blue Line Racing. His Trump 2024 Cadillac V16. Beautiful build. And Jackhammer. Good looking cars. Probably going to be notably fast. But we've got a lot of racing to do. Now on the turntable we got B&D Racing. The pink B&D Racing Cadillac V16 and the Jackhammer coming up. Blue Line done run over my cameraman a while ago. He's alright because he was focused on the wrong thing, wasn't paying attention to the cars being moved on and off the stage. Now we got the RC Addicts on the stage in the Jackhammer, nicely painted, and it's red, white, and blue. And then the Cadillac V16, it's also painted red, white, and blue. Good looking cars. Like I said, leave comments. I'll let my judges look at the comments and see if y'all all in the same ballpark. B&D Addict Racing. Now we got MLV Performance in his Jackhammer. No, that's Jay Lane and his Jackhammer, and the Cadillac is MLV Performance. So we got two different drivers there. Jay Lane in the Jackhammer, MLV Performance in the Cadillac. Alright, on the turntables right now, E67 diecast, Papa E. In his pink Cadillac, it's got a red, white, and blue flag on top. The Jackhammer is also got a flag on the top. Good looking cars. I had to talk to my cameraman. They was getting sidetracked. I don't know why, but they're not paying attention to what's going on. Well, maybe I do know why. Anyway, these cars are Papa E's. Okay, here we go again. 131 diecast in the V16 Cadillac, copper, brown, again, and got the black Jackhammer. Both of them clean looking cars. If they race like they clean, they're gonna be clean and fast. I wanted to give this a little shout out here. This is the jug, the magical jug that holds everybody's fate in it. That's where the pills come from. When I pull them, that's who you race against. And I was just wanting to show you. That's the way we figure out who's racing who. Okay, this is old South Carolina boy. Homegrown racer here. It's Flip for Flip's Racing. Need to follow him. He's got some good races coming up. Get to break out the big trucks. Here comes his Cadillac V16 black. And then his Jackhammer. It's a golder. It's gold. Sure these is going to be fast. Okay, next on the blocks here is Sugar Booty Racing in his Cadillac V16. There's the aerodynamic in his Jackhammer. Sugar Booty Racing, Ray Sugar will be the drivers. Okay, coming around in the Jackhammers, Wild Willie G. Wiley Willie G. Racing is Jackhammer. It looks mean. Got some blue, red, white, red stripes, white top. Maybe one to watch. I watch them all. I love these cars. Alright, we got Team H2O up there. And the Cadillac V16 is the water boy. And the Jackhammer for Team H2O is that water boy. So we're gonna be hydrated if nothing else. Okay, in the Jackhammer coming around, we've got Numbskull Racing with the driver is Numbskull, and the white Cadillac is also Numbskull Racing, and Numbskull's the driver. Look out. He's got plenty of horsepower. Alright. We got Puff Racing in the Cadillac. Puff is the driver. In the Jackhammer for Puff Racing, Misty G. She's done well on this track. So, ain't no surprise if we don't see a lot of horsepower. Okay, we got Hot Rods Custom on the turntable now. Beautiful paint job on both cars. The V16 Cadillac, super slick color. And the Jackhammer also is clean, sparkly. Clean, sparkly cars. Good job there, Hot Rod. Alright, now we got the A-Team up here in the fade out paint. We got the August in my lane driving the V16 Cadillac, and Grover is driving the Jackhammer. Keep my eye on them. Alright, last but not least, don't take your eyes off of them too fast. We got in this Cadillac, Miss Hot Rod. In the Jackhammer, also Miss Hot Rod Racing. All the way from Texas. She said everything's bigger and faster in Texas. We're gonna find out. Look at this paint job here. They're all looking good. Every car, they ain't an ugly car on the whole planet on this track today. They're all beautiful. A lot of hard work put into them, mechanically and cosmetically. So, like I said, leave comments. Let us know what you think. We'll be back in a little while with the race. Running Jackhammers first, then the Cadillacs. Y'all have a good afternoon.